Hi everyone, let's make flowers using tissue paper. So take two tissue paper. Here we are going to cut it and here we are making a square shape like this. After this we are going to fold it from its both sides. So flip the tissue paper and fold it like we are doing here. Now cut the edges and make it pointy like this. After this we are going to do this from other side as well. Tie it at the center using a thread or a wire. Now we are going to color it. We are using lipstick here. You can use a normal color, sketch pen or watercolor. So start coloring it from its both sides. Now we are going to open it like this. So pull it upwards like this and look, your beautiful flower is ready. You can make more such flowers and combine all of them together like this. Cover it using floral tape. You can also put lipstick and colors on the top and look, it is ready. Let's make flowers using these beautiful ribbons. So we are going to take purple sheet. So roll all of them. You can take a card for the measurement. Now we are going to combine all of them, fold it like this and paste it using this fire. Now make more such flower petals and paste all of them one after another in a straight line. You can put darker shade at first, then continue with the lighter shade of the purple. Now we are going to roll it on this stick. So paste this hot glue gun like we are doing here and roll it around this stick like this, and look, your flower is ready. You can push it like this and look, it's done. You can add more details, make a bunch of flowers and make a bouquet like this. Look how pretty this is looking. Take this pink ribbon. You can take the measurement using this card, or you can also take a credit card for the measurement. Now we are going to cut it, make the edges curve, and we are going to give it shape using this lighter. Twist it using your thumb and look, you will get this beautiful design. Now fold it. Again we are going to use this fire and make more such flower petals. Now we are going to put this flower petal on green stick and paste it using this hot glue gun. Similar way, you can also add a beautiful flowers like this and roll all of them like we are doing here. You can also put it like this, or you can also paste it one by one, and choice is yours. And look, your flower is ready. Make more such beautiful flowers for home decoration. In this video, we're going to wrap this lollipop and make a beautiful flower out of it. Look how pretty this packaging will look. So let's get started. First, we're going to cut the shape from red crepe paper. Now put this lollipop at the center and using your thumb, we are going to twist it and give it shape like we are doing here, and look, it's done. Now we are going to make the symbol of the flowers. So take this green crepe paper, make multiple cut on it and put it at the bottom side of the flower, twist it as well. We are going to cover it using green floral tape like this, roll it like we're doing here and cover the lollipop stick like this, and look, it's ready. How pretty these beautiful rose flowers are looking. You can gift it on birthdays, or you can also make this beautiful gift box. Let's make beautiful flower using red color of ribbon and black lace. So we are going to measure the ribbon using this card. You can take credit card or debit card. Now combine both of the ribbons together and we are going to paste it using this wire because this is nylon and it will stick easily. Make more such flower petals and paste all of them one after another in a straight line using hot glue gun, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to take this green stick, put it on the top of the flower and start rolling it and paste it using hot glue gun, and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. How pretty the leaves are looking. Do try it at home. Thank you so much for watching this video.